Hello beautiful people, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. If today is your very first time of watching any of my videos, I appreciate it and thank you for joining today. So I discovered this because I'm a natural advocate. I love natural stuff. I like using natural ways to solve some of the things we have. So I discovered that if you have a mosquito bite, you can use aloe vera to take care of that mosquito bite. The thing that even led me to discover this was I stay in a place where I stay in the tropics where mosquitoes can be quite common, unfortunately. So you have to guide yourself against mosquitoes and all that. But even if you've gotten a mosquito bite, that's not the end of the world. You can still take care of yourself properly. The thing is, mosquito bites sometimes leave scars on our bodies, especially little ones, even older people. I noticed that my son, anytime he has a mosquito bite, because he doesn't know how to take care of it very well, he might just itch and there'll be a scar coming out of that place. And I was like, what do? I had to go research and I discovered that aloe vera, the common aloe vera, just aloe vera, is what I needed to do to take care of it. So if you have a mosquito bite or you have anybody that has been complaining about having bites, having even other insect bites, just grab an aloe vera leaf, the organic aloe vera, the plants, and scrape out some of the gel and apply it on the spot where you've been bitten by the mosquito. You can do this with the original aloe vera plants or the organic ones sold in stores, the bottled ones that have not been too processed. This will help to ease off the itching, the swelling that comes with bites. Like we know, once you have a bite, you will tend to have swelling, itchiness around that area. This is not all. Apart from you just like helping to soothe the pain from the bite, it also helps to heal the wound in the process, because sometimes some people itch and itch. You might be deep in sleep and you just like know that something has bitten you and you just keep itching. You know when you start digging into your flesh and you create a wound in that process. So what you can do is just take that aloe vera plant and it helps to soothe the wound. It heals the wound in the process and it makes that scar non-existent. So you won't wake up and start saying, it's really so annoying when your body has been so fresh, but because of bites, insect bites, mosquito bites, you start having spots all over your body. Nobody really wants that. So anytime you've gotten a bite, mosquito or any other kind of insect, a bug or something like that, just take your organic aloe vera plants, which can be gotten from stores, apply it on the spot where you have the bite and you're good to go. Do this regularly, like 2 to 3 times a day. Allow it sink into your skin and don't rinse it off until like after 20 to 30 minutes if you must wash it off, and you'll see that your skin is going to return back to normal. Please, if you enjoyed this video, kindly comment below. Please share this video to your family, to your friends, your acquaintances, and if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, this is a very good opportunity for you to subscribe. And don't only subscribe, also click the notification bell because you'll get to know when new videos drop. I'll see you next time. Bye!